Hey everyone, Zain here, and today I'm going to show you how to recover Telegram account without phone number or email. Now to do so, you should go to the settings right here. And once you go to the settings, you should now scroll down till you find Google right here. Just tap on it. Then what you should do is to simply click on manage your Google account. Then it will take a couple of seconds in order to load the page. And what you should do is simply scroll up right here, then choose security. And after that, you should now scroll down till you find here this option, password manager. So tap on it. Then here you should find the Telegram account or the Telegram application just right here. You should just scroll down till you find it. But here in my case, because I do not actually have this Telegram on this email, I do not have it right here. But you should search for it. It will be displayed just below right here, like other these applications. Then what you should do is to tap on it. Let's consider this one is Telegram. You just have to tap on it, then use your fingerprint, and it will show you here the username and the password. What you should do is simply copy them, then go to Telegram and paste them instead of entering your mobile number. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.